Hello, welcome back to my channel, I guess. So today it's gonna be a video about how I'm drawing these two pages about the beautiful bird called Nazca Booby. I hope you like it and have a good time. So this is my first video after a long break. I haven't drawn anything for 2 months except my work. I think I was or is kinda depressed because this spring is really hard for me. My grandmother passed away, and overall I just didn't have the strength to do pretty much anything but sleeping. So my personal art and this YouTube channel was terribly neglected. Yeah. But one of the subscribers asked me to draw his favorite bird, and it was a good kickoff for me. My old good organizer is all dusty. So I'm trying to clean it off, and we'll see how the pans are actually doing inside, because some of them might be clogged. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they clogged. I missed you guys. Have you missed me? Well, pencils should be okay. Let's try this one. Yep, not working. That's sad, but I think I can revive it later using some warm water. This one is fine. One of my favorites, a sailor. Works okay. It's actually a really cool and high quality pen. Very reliable and, convenient. Probably I will use it for these Nazca Boobies. Pilot parallel pen. This one should be fine because it's so sturdy. Yeah, it's fine. Maybe I just refill the cartridge and it's gonna be okay. The brush pen is working. And my makeshift DIY pilot pen is kind of working too. It's a little bit dry, but I think it's gonna be fine over time. I'm trying out pencils. Have no idea why, because they definitely works okay. Let's take a quick look into the sketchbook. It is okay, obviously. I mean, drawings are still there. Some birds. Jellyfishes. Bats. Okay, now I think I have to start to draw. Alright, it's nothing fancy. I will just put some sketches, like a very quick sketches on the paper, basically to define composition. So it's nothing fancy on this stage. And while I'm doing this, I think I need to say thank you to you, my subscriber, Birker, the man who basically forced me to do this video. You know, what you did is actually like, you know this old meme, like, do it! Just do it!
Do it! Just do it!
And that was so much needed. So I appreciate it. I don't know you, but you are a good person. And I know it's not an easy times for you as well, but it's gonna be okay. Meanwhile, I finished the first page and starting the second one. There is gonna be like a huge bird in the middle and few in the corners. Drawing again feels good. I really missed that feeling. There is something soothing about the sound like the pencil make when you drag it on the paper. And your brain is busy with the drawing, so you don't have time to think about anything else. So it's kind of like a meditation in a way. Time for a little break. I'm just watering my plants. Ink is unforgiving, so once you put a line on the paper, it stays forever, right? I think it's better to just let it go and relax and pretend that your mistakes is actually your style. sea is unforgiving as well. I used to have a lot of dreams about sea, like disturbing dreams with the huge waves, hitting the beach, and I'm trying to not drown in these waves. Maybe it is because of my childhood. When I was a kid, my sister, she tried to teach me how to swim, and she dragged me a few meters from the shore and just left me there on my own. It is almost like some birds do. They pushing their chicks from the nest to teach them how to fly in a hard way. But it didn't work for me. So yeah, I reached the shore, but I actually learned how to swim a few years after that by myself, slowly and gradually. I really like how the close-up of that bird turned out to be, especially eye and the strokes on the beak. And we almost done with the first page. I actually messed up the head of this bird, but nobody cares. That's another lesson for us artists. Nobody cares about some details. You think you fucked up, but in fact, it doesn't really matter. I really like this one because of the crooked neck and a very aggressive beak and like small feathers on the back of the head. And now it's time for a big one. Huge wings, a lot of feathers. But I will not draw each feather because it's just too much detail for this style of illustration, I guess. Sometimes less is more. And now I'm just using the brush pen to fill these like huge black areas because this is definitely too much for a fountain pen. And I'm trying to put strokes along the feathers, kinda imitating the details. Now let's make the little chick. Beauty. And because he's so fluffy, I'm not using like one solid line for the silhouette, but rather just putting a lot of small strokes to imitate the fur, the feather, the fuzz, something. Eggs are simple. The only trick I'm using here is actually keeping the bottom part very bright, imitating the reflected light from the ground. And it's done. Time for intermission. Oops. And I think it's done. So let's have a closer look, I guess. Maybe even closer, like this, yeah. So these two birds flying, Nazca Booby. The close-up, I really like this one. Some sitting birds. This funny guy. I like how crooked his neck is. It's beautiful long neck. Flying one. The big one. Little chibi. Juvenile, I guess. And a couple of eggs. Looks like this. I think the style is the same I did before. What do you think, guys? Am I losing my skill? Am I stagnating? Or what? Yeah, but that's about it. Thank you for watching. It's been a long video. I hope you liked it. I'm not saying that I will continue make videos. We'll see how much power, how much juice I will have in the future. Yeah, so I'm okay if you not subscribing or unsubscribing. It's fine. And I wish you a good day. See you later, maybe.